In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively share files and folders using Google Drive, whether you're collaborating with colleagues on a project or simply sharing memories with friends. Understanding how to manage your Google Drive files is essential. So let's dive into the process step by step. First off, open up your web browser and head over to Google Drive. If you haven't already, log into your Google account. This is your hub for storing and organizing files in the cloud, making it accessible from anywhere with an internet connection. Once you're logged in, navigate through your drive to find the particular file or folder you wish to share. Now, here's an important part. Right-click on the specific file or folder. A contextual menu will appear, providing you with a range of options. Choose the option labeled Share. This is your gateway to managing who has access to your files. After clicking Share, you'll see a dialog box that pops up. It's your control center for deciding the sharing settings. Under General Access, you'll find different settings to choose from. If you want to keep your file's audience limited, opt for the Restricted setting. What this does is ensure that only people you specifically invite can access the file or folder. It's a great way to retain control over who sees sensitive information. Now comes the part where you'll add the emails of those specific individuals. Be mindful to include only those you trust. You can type their email addresses into the provided field. Google Drive makes it convenient by allowing you to add a personal message, informing them why you're sharing the file and any other relevant details. Once you've determined your sharing settings and added the necessary emails, you're ready to complete the process. At the bottom of the dialog box, you'll see a Done button. Give that a click and voila, your file or folder is now shared with the right people and without compromising on privacy. It's always a good idea to periodically review your shared files and folders. Make sure the list of people who have access is up to date and adjust as necessary. This way you can maintain a clutter-free and secure Google Drive environment. Sharing via Google Drive is not only efficient, but also allows you to maintain a collaborative atmosphere, whether at work or in your personal life. By securely controlling who accesses your files, you're taking a proactive approach to digital safety, and there you have it. A straightforward method to share your Google Drive files with ease and precision. Until next time, happy sharing.